Are you tired of chasing down files, juggling endless software, and watching costs stack up? As digital creators, we're facing three big challenges in asset management. First, file leaks and lack of traceability. Files can easily end up in the wrong hands, and without tracking, accountability is lost. Second, high software costs and unnecessary expenses. All those tools with separate fees drain resources that could be better spent. Third, low resource reusability and poor collaboration. Searching or recreating assets kills momentum, especially in team settings. And in addition, the inability to preview 3D files makes finding them even more inconvenient. Today, I'm introducing a different kind of AI, one designed to help creators tackle this asset management crisis. Blueberry AI, you'll experience features like AI-powered search, intuitive tagging, version control, secure file sharing, and creative tools integrations, all optimized to streamline your workflow and keep your team on the same page. Ready to see the difference? Head over to blueberryai.com or click the link in the description to get started. Once you're on the Blueberry AI homepage, click on Get Started and create an account. Once you're logged in, your interface will look like this. Now let's see how you can manage digital resources and optimize asset availability. In the left side panel, you will find all your files or projects. Under the Shared tab, you'll find Shared Projects, and under the Private tab, you'll find Private Files. To upload new files, click on the Upload icon. Create a new folder name, set the parent folder, and finally set the permissions. You can give access to a particular user or the whole team. After setting the permissions, our directory has been created, and now we need to upload the assets. To do that, click on the Upload icon again. If you want to upload a particular file, select File. If you want to upload a full folder of your assets, select Folder. Then choose the folder. Once done, hit the Confirm button. It will take some time to upload and process the files. And here it is. You can see all the assets here. As I uploaded a rigged and animated model, you'll notice several model files along with textures, meshes, and other files. If you select any of the files, you will see all the information about them. File status, file location, and basic info. At the end, you'll find the most interesting part, the tags. AI has created tags for the files automatically, allowing you to filter the files according to the tags to find particular types of assets. For example, if I want to find all the eye-related assets, what do I need to do? Simply click on the filter icon, then expand the filter. Now, from the tag options, mark the tags you want to find. You can search for any particular tag. Once the tags are selected, Blueberry AI will filter the files according to the selected tags. And here they are. There is another way to find particular types of assets called image search. Yes, you can search assets with the image search option. In the search box, you'll find a camera icon. Click it, then click on the Upload button. Now upload a similar kind of image you want to search for. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will analyze all the assets and find the best match to your reference image. And here it is. You can see that Blueberry AI has found all the similar assets to our reference. That's amazing. Alright, now, to view any file, just click on it and you'll see the preview of the model. This one is a walk animation model in an idle pose. To see the animation, just click on the Play Animation option. Here, you'll find options to auto-rotate the model, show the wireframe, display the grid, check UV, and access other key features. To add texture to the model, go to the Materials tab. On the left side, you'll see all the materials. Select the materials, and then add the texture to see the preview. To add texture, go to the Base Color option and click on the Edit button. If you already have the texture file on Blueberry AI, select it from the directory. If not, you can upload it. Just select the texture image and hit the Confirm button. And here it is. The texture has been added to the model. In this way, you can add texture to the model. If you already have the texture on Blueberry, select the materials you want to apply. Then go to the Base Color option in the Materials tab. Click Edit. Navigate to the texture folder, choose the correct texture, and hit the Confirm button. The texture will be applied. If you want to separate the view of the model, you can do it from here. To divide the materials horizontally, click on X, and to divide vertically, click on Y. Alright, this is a 3D model of a futuristic toy. Now imagine you want to see all the channel effects. Normally, you would choose the channels one by one from the Materials tab. But in Blueberry's MultiChannel View mode, you can do it in just one click. To show the model in full screen, click here. To take a screenshot, simply click here. That's awesome! Now imagine, as a project manager, you want some changes in a particular element or area, and one of your team members will do it. You can send the requirements directly to your team members. Just select the area, type the requirement, and mention the team member. Your team member will get an email from you. Now they can fix the issue. Once done, they can directly update the version. To do that, they have to come information preview of the model. Here is an option called the update version. Simply click here and then upload the updated version. Once the version is updated, they can inform you via comment. You can see the preview and even see the compression between two models. Okay, let's see another very important part of project management, the Canban view. Here, you can sort out all the assets by status. For example, you'll see 4 tabs: Approve, Other, Pending Review, and Under Review. Now you can drag and drop all the assets to reduce the project's time cost. All of your team members will easily understand which items need improvement and which are done, allowing them to work based on this information. That's really amazing. This isn't the end. You can create ads with Blueberry AI, preview alias files, install plugins, and import files directly from Photoshop, Unity, Mac, and other 3D software. You can search for any asset by image and access many other exciting features. In conclusion, whether you're a 3D animator, product designer, or game developer, Blueberry AI will assist you in managing digital resources and optimizing asset availability. Blueberry AI's digital asset management system intelligently organizes assets, boosting efficiency and streamlining workflows. So, give it a try. Go to the description box and click on the provided link. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before I go, I'd love to hear your opinion about Blueberry AI and its AI features. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!